Hey guys, greetings from Chicago. I am at the 2023 Creator Summit hosted by Car Supplies Warehouse. They're bringing together some of the detailing industry's top vendors as well as influencers to create educational and entertaining content for you guys to become more familiar with some of the detailing products on the market. Now, I did a video actually with Nick RUTTER from Mckees 37. It was a fantastic video, but unfortunately, the audio didn't take. So what Nick and I are going to actually do is a quick voiceover sharing with you guys how to quickly prep and apply the Mckees 37 graphene ceramic coating.
So there's a process to applying a ceramic or a graphene coating. First and foremost, you need to thoroughly wash the vehicle using the Mckees 37 Coating Prep Auto Wash. And of course, you're going to chemically decontaminate the paint using Xtreme Iron Remover. This step is imperative even for a brand new car. It removes the embedded iron particles that would otherwise prevent the coating from properly adhering to the surface. And besides that, you have your complete finishing polish, which I'll show momentarily, along with the coating prep spray, and there's also going to be a clay bar step that's going to take place during the wash process or after you wash and dry the vehicle, whatever you prefer. Complete finishing polish is really easy to use. You'll notice that this panel is not perfect, and we're not trying to get it perfect. This is just a big picture detail for the sake of showcasing exactly how to apply the coating using our system that Car Supplies Warehouse sells. Complete finishing polish goes a long way. It doesn't take a whole lot. I first applied a couple drops to the pad of this root best polisher, and I spread it out before dialing up my speed to setting number 4. Here I'm applying about 10 pounds of pressure, going with the medium arm speed, and I perform about 4 or 5 section passes. Complete finishing polish has a very long working time. It does not smell bad. It's body shop safe, and it works on all paint systems, especially softer, darker colors, often found on Japanese vehicles. The root best polisher is very smooth, and it minimizes fatigue, which is important when you're detailing an entire vehicle instead of just a test panel like I am here. Complete finishing polish will work as long as you want it to. It doesn't dry up, and it's extremely easy to wipe off. This is one of those polishes that just keeps going and going and going. It seems like it'll never actually dry up. And after you perform about 4 or 5 passes, turn your machine off, set it down, and grab a lint-free microfiber towel. Here I'm using our Edgeless 365, which we manufacture, and you simply wipe off the polish. When you wipe off a polish, fold the towel 4 ways and take short, firm strokes. Complete finishing polish is actually what Wayne Carini's guys use at his shop, F40 Motorsports, in Connecticut, doing paint correction on the vehicle before selling it, or for a quick cleanup after a wet sand, cut and buff. The next step is to use coating prep spray. You'll hear a lot of people use alcohol. Alcohol is not a good idea because it's a poor lubricant. Coating prep spray encapsulates the polishing oils, and it safely removes them so the coating will actually adhere to the surface. This step is imperative. Once again, do not use alcohol. Coating prep spray works a lot better, and it provides a lubricious barrier to help prevent any scratches. Plus, it's much, much easier to use than alcohol, and you can even use it as a glass cleaner. Now here we are. We have our graphene ceramic coating. We sell this in 2 versions. This is our 5-year, and we also have a 10-year, which we call Pro Coat. The 5-year is available in a whopping 4-ounce size, which an experienced detailer like Chelsea can easily get 3, 4, 5, even 6 vehicles out of, depending on the size. And we also have a specialized applicator pad to apply the coating. Instead of these small microfiber applicators, we have a larger foam applicator pad with a unique crimson foam that helps apply a uniform coat without over-absorbing it. Now, this coating is super easy to apply, and it doesn't take much. Use the included dropper and apply a little bit to the pad. This pad is brand new, so I'm going to prime it first, and then all it takes is a couple drops of product. What I applied there is actually enough to completely coat this entire hood for this test panel. And then what you do is use the applicator pad, and you want to outline the area that you're working on, and then you simply spread it out. This coating has a very long working time. It does not dry up fast, and it just goes forever and ever and ever. It's a great value in the world of ceramic and graphene coatings. Now you want to go side to side and up and down, ensuring uniform coverage. And as you apply it, you'll see that it starts to flash. The flashing is the carrier essentially evaporating off the surface, and what's left behind are the graphene ceramic particles that fill in the pits, pores, and valleys, making the paint perfectly smooth and incredibly glossy. You'll notice a rainbow effect. When this happens, take a lint-free microfiber towel and simply wipe it off. This coating is a dream to wipe off. We recommend applying it to a panel and then wiping it off and repeating this process panel by panel. But it's so forgiving that if you miss a spot and you see it an hour or two later, simply wipe it off. And if you have a high spot the next day, one thing that Chelsea likes to do is actually use more coating to reactivate that area to help remove that high spot. So here I am using another edgeless 365 microfiber towel that we manufacture at Mckees 37. And it's important to use plenty of towels when you're wiping off a coating. So in the real world, doing an entire car, plan to have at least a dozen towels. And you'll notice that this coating wipes off like a dream. Because what happens is after you've been detailing all day, which Chelsea can attest to this, you get tired. So if you're out in the garage for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hours, the last thing you want is a coating that's difficult to wipe off. So we kept that in mind while formulating this, and it's extremely easy to wipe off, and it provides a thick, glossy, hard shell of protection that's going to withstand airborne pollutants. It lasts a long time, the gloss is absolutely incredible, and the water behavior is second to none. Chelsea has other videos where she compares this to a multitude of different coatings in the market, and for a consumer coating, this will hold its own against professional-only coatings. And then when you're finished using it, remove the dropper, clear it out, and then apply the child safety cap and store it in your garage or inside, and plan to use it up within a year of opening it. That's the key with ceramic and graphene coatings. They do have a shelf life, so use it up within a year. And Chelsea likes to empty out the dropper to make sure everything is out, so that way you can reuse the dropper. Otherwise, the coating will stick in the surface.
So Nick, you are fantastic at doing like on-the-spot voiceovers. I can't even, like that's just a miracle that you were able to watch at once and get all that done.
I'll add it to my resume, okay?
But there was so much great information just jam-packed into this really short, sweet video. And I know that I've done tons of videos on my channel showing this product being applied, but for those of you that just kind of want to be introduced to this product for the first time, Nick, you did a fantastic job of just kind of breaking it down for us, sharing with us the basics, and it really is quite basic to apply it. I mean, a lot of people get really intimidated by the idea of applying a ceramic coating, and I feel like this specific product kind of takes all that stress away.
Oh, it does, and one thing that might have been lost in translation with the issue we had with audio is that, you know, this is designed to be used as a system.
Yeah.
As with any other ceramic coating, each manufacturer has their system. So in order to get the best results, you know, it's imperative that you follow the steps that the manufacturer recommends, because everything is formulated to work together, which we call that synergistic chemical compatibility.
So beyond just the application part though, I know I've done tons of videos. In fact, I just did a really lengthier video on how to maintain this product and really get the most out of it. And that comes into play with using the products that you guys have specifically designed to maintain it with.
Yep.
So for those of you that you want to apply this product, but you want to also know how to get optimum results, I'll put the link to that video down below. It's just going to kind of help answer some of the questions that a lot of people have when it comes to maintaining a ceramic coating, but this one in particular, it will share with you guys what products to use to maintain it, even if you need to do like a every 6 months, a refresh or a topper. Yep. It's gonna really help you get the most out of this product. So if you have any questions about the Mckees 37 graphene coating, go ahead, let me know in the comments section down below. We're also gonna put all the links to the products that we used in this video. You can purchase them over at Car Supplies Warehouse. Use coupon code Chelsea10, you're gonna be able to save 10% off of them. But thank you for taking the time to just go over this. I know this entire event has just been kind of new and rolling with the punches. You never know what you're gonna experience with audio issues, so hopefully you guys can hear this all right. But we wanted to make sure that we at least were able to share this product, this information with you guys. So thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the very next videos. In fact, stay tuned because we're gonna be doing a Q&A with Nick right after this, so you don't wanna miss that.
Take care.